Alright, bro. That's like the fuel rail, right? And so I've already unplugged this and this to that one, but I think I'm supposed to take out those 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you know, all those 12 black ones. Maybe do I need to take off those nuts too, like those nuts, and then maybe take off, I don't know what this thing is, but I'm guessing that sends the electrical stuff to the fuel injectors, right? So remove those, and fuck, then what? Is that it? I don't fucking know. Wait, oh yeah, those are the fuel injectors. Yeah, those are the fuel injectors down there, huh? Okay. But where the hell do I relieve the fuel? I know this is the oh wait, this is the fuel line, but where do you relieve the pressure? Maybe I'll just follow that thing. Okay, I think I found a thing to release the fuel pressure of this thing. Okay, I've relieved the fuel pressure. Then now I think I start removing those.